Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I'm exploring some new horizons. And I am, as you can see, I've been attempting for quite a while here, a swirl. Not such an easy thing to do. So I'm using my Sherwin to go paint here. Putting that down right now again. Had a few fails so far, but few fails turn into a few beautiful pieces, I'm sure. Gonna spread that paint out a bit. So I'm going to start out today with a Matisse Southern Ocean Blue. And these paints are mixed with Infinity, Sherwin-Williams HGTV, Infinity, and triple thick polyurethane, and a little drop of Sonja to thin them out a little bit. And I'm gonna stir this up right now. Paint's got a little thick just sitting here. And I'm thinning this, stirring this up. And this is that Matisse blue, which is really a beautiful color. And I'm gonna put a little bit of that down here. Make a nice size puddle there. And maybe on top of that, I'll put a little Matisse. Oh, wait a minute. Huh. What did I do? Oh, no, that's, I don't know, I'll have to go back and check my paints. But I will put the proper colors down below. Yeah, this is also a Matisse. I forgot the name of this, the color on this. But this is a darker blue. It's also an ocean color. Very pretty color. Okay. And I have some Mermaid, this little Piggy Mermaid here. And I'm going to put some of that right there, because that is the most beautiful shade of blue. Oh. Let's not miss any of that Piggy. And can we put a little Quinacridone Magenta, break that up a bit. Break that up. And maybe a little Comet. Comet on top of that. this little Piggy Comet. I'm going to use Payne's Gray as my cell activator. Let me push this more to the middle here. Okay. Okay, and I'm going to give this a whirl. Okay. Looks pretty good, I think. Pretty good to me. Let's stop it and check that out. Looks like my cells are all in order. Colors look good. Not too sure about that middle, but at this point, I think I'll take it. I'll have to work on my middle, but I do like the colors. I like the way the circle went. So I'm gonna give this a whirl. Okay, this is up to 115. I hope my cells open up. I'll wait for that paint to roll out a little bit. It's 135. Let's see if we can. Okay, that overdid it. Okay, don't go up to 200, too much. But, you know what? Kind of like it. I like the way it made my sides. Yeah, I might call this one a day. I find it a little interesting. You know what? I do like this. I like the edges. I like the way the edges came out. Kind of looks like a like a snake or no, but there's something about this that I like. Can you see that? I mean, I don't even need to take you in for a close-up because I think you're seeing it pretty close right there. I love the way these colors work together. I love the way you got the edges. You know what? I think this is it for me. Please give me a thumbs up. You have no idea how hard I worked today. I will continue to work a little further, but this is my piece for today. I love it. I hope you do too. Lisa, I know you're gonna think I'm crazy, but there's something about this that I love. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and this is Donna from Hollywood, California. Not signing off yet because we have our Galaxy pour, which will be coming up May 4th. May the force be with you. Please look down below. We have a lot of great artists that'll be pouring that day. Please support them. Support me. And thank you. Have a great day. Have a great evening. This is Donna from Hollywood, California. Signing off. Bye-bye now.